What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Vigorous Shooter. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to balance the Ronin RS2. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. First, you want to make sure that all your motors are locked on your gimbal, just like that. And make sure that you have your camera plate on there ready to go. And now we're going to throw on our camera. Once you've got your camera on, now make sure you go ahead and lock it in place. To start off, we're going to balance the tilt axis of the gimbal. We're going to unlock our first lock and make sure you're securing the camera at all times because the motors might just go flying. Hold the camera and unlock. To slide the camera, we're going to unlock this lever right here. We can use this little knob right here to really position our camera and get it to where we want it. You want to make sure that it stays on its own and it's not moving. Boom. And then we're gonna lock it right back, all right? The second part of the tilt axis, we want to unlock this knob right here, all right? And what we're going to do after we unlock it, we wanna position the camera facing upright. And then we're going to slide the arm back. And the goal of this is to get the camera to stand upright by itself. Like this. Look, Ma, no hands. Now go ahead and lock the motor, turn it upside down, and it should stay there as well. Now that we're done balancing this axis, we're just going to lock the motor. The next motor that we're going to balance is the roll, and that's this arm right here, and that's what allows the camera to roll side to side. And now we're going to unlock the roll motor. Remember to keep your hands on the camera at all times, so that way the camera don't go flying. So now you're just going to unlock the lever that controls that arm. You're going to get it balanced to where it could stay in whatever position you put it in. And muscle test it a little bit to see if it stays. And once you got it where you want it, just go ahead and lock that arm. Boom. And now we're gonna go ahead and just lock the axes. Now, if you feel like this has been pretty simple so far, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Okay, so now we're going to get the pan axis. We're going to unlock the pan motor, which is right here on the side right there. We're just going to lift it up. Boom. The fastest way to see if this is out of balance, we're just going to tilt the gimbal diagonally. Something like this. Then you should see it turn. You see that? Once you see that, you want to go ahead and unlock your arm. That will allow you to push the arm back and forth so you could balance it. And we're just going to basically fine tune it and make sure that it doesn't turn by itself. And boom. And then now we're gonna go ahead and lock the arm right here. So that way it doesn't move. Make sure that all the motors are on lock. And now we're going to turn on the gimbal. Now we're at the final step of balancing this. You want to go ahead and download the DJI Ronin app so that way we could fine tune the motors. Once you have it downloaded, go ahead and open the app. You will connect your phone to the Ronin. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to motor parameters, okay? And then we're going to hit the auto tune function. Just hit okay. And then now you're gonna see the motor shake, jiggle, and make all types of noises. Don't worry, it's perfectly fine. It's just making sure that your motors are okay. And by the time you're done, it should say that your auto tune is successful. Leave the motor parameters, and now we're going to go to our balance test. Now you're just gonna have to tilt your gimbal to a 15-degree angle, and the app will let you know when you're close to it, okay? Once you're there at 15 degrees, you're just going to begin the test. And then your gimbal is going to look like it's doing astrovideography. And if you've done it correct, it will tell you that everything is excellent, just like we have it here. And there you have it, guys. That's how easy it was to balance your Ronin. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. And also, if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, I'll see you on my next one. Deuces.